Good afternoon, friends. Today I am going to make pizza rolls for lunch. Come join me. Okay, to start off making these pizza rolls, you need some mozzarella cheese slices. I'm doing about 5. I have my oven preheating at 300 and actually I have my oven preheating at 400. Mine's 375 because the temperature in my stove is off by 25 degrees. And I'm taking some pepperoni and putting 4 slices on each slice of mozzarella cheese. Oh, I got the perfect amount that time. Perfect. All right, so now I am going to put this in my oven for about 10 minutes. And by that time, the edges of the cheese will be turning like a little golden brown. And that's the stage that you want it at. And then you pull it out, and I will show you what to do from there. And they are ready. Look at that. Perfectly golden brown. So what I like to do from this point, I like to transfer it from this baking sheet to this cooling rack. Otherwise it's going to stay hot for a while on the pan. So depending on the cooling rack, it starts to cool pretty quick and I can get them rolled right away because I'm hungry. So just take the parchment paper and do a quick transfer. Voila. So while that's cooling down for a minute, I am going to put some of this marinara sauce in this bowl right here. About half a cup or so. That's for my dipping. And I like to take this and put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds just to warm it up. So I'm going to go ahead and start rolling these before they get too stiff. And they've already cooled down some, enough that I can handle them with my fingers. Some of them are still a little bit hot. The grease is hot a little bit. You do need to be careful. Whew. Okay, so here we have it. Pizza roll-ups with some marinara sauce. And I want to thank Michelle Fulmer for introducing this recipe to me on her page. I absolutely love it. It's one of my favorite lunches. So if you like pizza, this one's good. All right, so we will go ahead and taste test. Once you roll them, they stay rolled. That's good. These are so good. If you love pizza, you will love these. Just slice of mozzarella, pepperoni. Very simple, very easy. Only takes 10 minutes to bake in the oven. and heat you up some marinara. You guys really need to try these. Have a good day.